So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use the relay device within the everycircuit.com online simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, you must have to select your relay part, and where it is we can search it out. Okay, and this is our relay, so click on it. Now this is our relay. You can see that it has 5 pins. So 2 pins are actually connected with that of the inductor or coil and is used for to energize the relay, and 3 other pins are there. One is normally closed, one is common, and one is normally open. So whenever our relay will get energized, the normally closed contact will become open and normally open contact will become closed. So in this way it will perform switching, and it used to operate on how much voltage is. Click on it and then click on this spinner sign. So it used to operate on 3.5 volts. Let us suppose that we will go and we will increase it to 12 volts. Okay, $11.9. Okay, so now we will go and we will try to energize it out. Now what we need to do, we need to take this voltage source, okay, and then we need to take our push button. So where is our push button? Search it out. So here it is. We need to connect it with the 1 volt, this, okay, and now we have to connect something on the output side. So for it we will go and we can do one more thing. We can take the power from this supply. Okay, we can take power from this supply as well if we want. So we can connect it like, okay, so we can connect. Oh, wait, cut it out, connect this with this. Okay, so power is also used to be linked to this point. Okay, and one more thing, we need to take our LED, okay, or motor. We can go for our motor. Motor must be connected with this point. Okay, and the last end must be connected with that of ground. We haven't used the LED because it used to operate on 2.5 volts, so better is to use the motor. So now we will take our ground like this and this. Okay, now we can run it out. Now we can see that it's not going to work. Why it is so? Because our okay, so we have to give at least 12 volt. Okay, oh sorry, it's 12.7 now. Or we can delete this one. Okay, if it is making it a problem, we can delete it out. Okay, like this. Still it is saying what? Or we can take one more ground here. We also need to connect it with the ground like this. So now we need to run it out. Now you can see like this. Okay, wait, let me introduce one more supply like this and this, and we can change its voltages to 12.5. Now we can run it out. Now you can see that our relay used to switch and our motor used to operate. And you also can see that the normally closed connection will become open, and normally open will become closed. So our simulation is running properly and our motor is spinning properly as well. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the relay within the everycircuit.com online simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.